Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you've seen by the title, I'm super excited for today's video, y'all. We are coming back with another synthetic hair review. I will leave all my synthetic hair review playlists in the description box, all the videos that I've done. I am just so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you for subscribing. We are almost at 300. We are almost at 300. Oh my God, like it's there. I see it. I can taste it, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications on if you want to see more bangers of my videos. I love you guys so much. And without all this chatter, let's get right into this review. Alright, so in my previous videos I did say that I was going to come back and do a review. I wasn't sure which wig that I wanted to do first, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a wig that is very much popping on the YT. As you see by the title, we are doing Outre's WigPop Synthetic full wig in the style Jasmiyah. Okay, I did get her in a 1B, and this is 20 inches, y'all. 20 inches. Comes in this all the time. If you guys are new to wigs, honestly, I think some people here that are subscribed to me are new to wigs and don't really know what to get. And the WigPop is a very good collection for beginners, very beginner friendly, easy to maintain, plop and go. You don't have to worry about trying to figure out how to cut the lace and all this extra stuff. This is the stock card WigPop. This is the front and the back of the wig. This is what it looks like right here. It is super cute. Like I said, it's giving me very natural vibes as well too. I love the curls from seeing this. This is, like I said, a full wig, so it has the adjustable straps, and then it has the 2 combs in the front, and then it has the 1 comb in the back, and it's a mesh material, so it's so easy to plop it on your head and go. Not much construction to it, so let's go ahead and fix this up on our heads and see what it's giving, and I'll come back with my final thoughts in my review.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash. In Italy, got too far, hoes they DM me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me. Ice on my neck, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that fucked in the back don't say nothing, them niggas a kill for me. Back as I count in my sleep, on fleek. And they can spit on that patty for leave. Throw my dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the family. My walk around like she Chris Jenner. I used to break in the inner, then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Go that bit, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from my leg, but I clip 'em. Double my cup or a triple. Sauce on my body, no biblical. I'm not your.
Like, why is this so bomb? So let's go ahead and just talk a little bit about this wig. Not too much about this wig, honestly, y'all. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this wig. There's nothing too dramatic to it. It's just a cute bang long unit. It's natural feeling. It feels so soft. I have not run my hands through this hair, and I will not. So I just don't want to disturb how beautiful these curls are. Like, y'all can't even tell in the back, but like, it is really popping in the back. Y'all, this wig, it's pretty. Like, it's giving me mature, grown, sexy woman, okay, about her business, getting her shit done. Y'all, this is by far my favorite wig, honestly, that WigPop has ever come out with. Like I said, y'all, Jasmiyah, I will link it down below. It is a hot commodity, hot seller, but I'm pretty sure it's still in stock on either wig types. Sam Beauty, I will link it all down below. Y'all, not much to this. Heat resistant fibers up to 400 degrees. I don't put heat to this hair. It is good just the way it is. The bangs is perfect for me. I've seen a lot of people cut the bangs, but honestly, I don't want to cut the bangs at all. I would try to do different styles with this hair, because I saw somebody put it up in a little ponytail, cute little ponytail. Like, oh my god, love this wig. 10 out of 10, y'all. Different colors, but honestly 1B is just so natural for me, and I figured this would be a better unit if it was in 1B or 1, or maybe even 2. But like, all these specialty colors, it's cute if you want to go for a more like a look, like a scissor look. Like, this is giving me a scissor look. The when she had her bangs and the whole like just how voluptuous and just how pretty her curls were, it just gives me that vibe. So pretty, y'all. Let me know what y'all think and how it looks on me. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next review. Bye. Like, it must be my ooh.